Hello friends! Today we're going to practice reading CVC words together. Cat, cat. Bat, bat. Fat, fat. Hat, hat. Mat, mat. Pat, pat. Rat, rat. Sat, sat. Ben, ben. Can, can. Fan, fan. Ran, ran. Tan, tan.
Fan, fan.
Bed, bed. Fed, fed. Led, led. Red, red. Wet, wet. Jet, jet. Met, met. Net, net. Pet, pet. Fit, fit. Pig, pig. Dig, dig. Thick, thick. Pig, pig. Weak, weak. Tip, tip. Hip, hip. Lip, lip. Pip, pip. Rip, rip. Tip, tip. Sip, sip. Sip, sip. Cut, cut. Dot, dot. Hot, hot. Short, short. Lot, lot. Not, not. Pot, pot. Bug, bug. Dug, dug. Hug, hug. Jug, jug. Mug, mug. Pug, pug. Rug, rug. Tug, tug.
Bone, bone. Fun, fun.
Gun, gun. Noon, noon. Pun, pun. Run. Run. Sun. Sun.
Great job reading those CVC words today! Keep practicing every day to become a stronger reader. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you in the next video! Bye-bye!